Hello, and welcome to Cooking with me, Dick Pickering. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today, we're going to be making chicken sandwiches. I used to make chicken sandwiches for my boy Angus every day until the courts took him off. Now your first bit is to get your chicken, rub it in. It's really important you rub it in. Secondly, wash your hands. Have a little drink. This is a nice white wine. Some people like to have lemon chicken. If you don't have lemons, this is absolutely fine. Put that on there. Really rub that in to the chicken breast. Once your oven's really hot, you get your chicken, put it in the oven. Now a piece of chicken this thick takes about 6 to 7 minutes in the oven, no more than that. Oh mama, that's done. Just whack that bad boy. Slippery. There. Now I'm going to show you this chicken. Look how this chicken should be cooked. It's still soft and jiggly. Once you got your chicken, you need your bread. Whack it in there. Delicious.